like you said, right, India is growing rapidly. Which sectors in India do you think hold, the highest promise that Gen Z can capture through their investments or mutual funds?
So I think first is, of course, I think the AI technology digital space. I think India already has a core in terms of the IT services. We need to expand that into AI, and I'm confident that will happen, and we will be up on speed on that curve. So today we are not in terms of China has obviously taken a lead even over the US in that, but I believe that India will catch up fast. Our technology policy, everything is rapidly. So I think that AI, no, not many companies in that yet in that, but if you keep an eye out, that's a growth part of the future. That's one. The second aspect I would say from an India growth perspective is this direct to consumer businesses, the Zomatos, the Swiggies, the Ubers, the right. That's a big, big transformative change that's happening, and more industries and everything will come into it. In fact, only a fraction of those industries are really listed in the stock market. So as they come in, that they are going to be your new gen. So I would say new gen companies. In the one simple brief, right? One second. The third aspect is I would say a concept called Atma Nirbharta. The government has been strongly driving that India needs to come up to speed and manufacture all the things it needs itself. And the recent tariff related thing has only strengthened the government's resolve to support that. So, what I'm saying is focus on those industries where the government is putting its efforts into building up local skills, and defense is a very big thing there. Pharma is a very big thing. Defense, in fact, it showed in the Indo-Pak War that is a lot of the indigenous drones and UAVs that helped us win the war, right? So, and this has a huge potential because of the future. So, I would say sectors like this, and India is lagging behind in manufacturing the rest of the world. So, huge amount of effort is going to go into promoting manufacturing. So, defense, pharma, pharma, because we have the necessary colleges and the skills, and already we are. During COVID, we were the pharmacy to the world. You would have heard that word, right? So, pharma is something which is an Indian core strength, which will continue to grow. So, I would say these are the kind of sectors where you basically see that uh, India's strengths are a population, an English speaking smart population. So, what are we going to do to take advantage of that is what is going to play out. We are going to move away from just using labor as a low cost labor option like textiles and leather. They are the historical industries. But getting these smart people and going in, and you saw the number of startups has now crossed 110,000 startups. Just before COVID, we had 600 startups. So, you can see that. So, those startups will ultimately come, and they are all in the new age world. So I would say these, in summary, are the new age sectors that they should